Hey guys, so quick video, how we're going to connect your ASUS monitor to PS5. It's super simple, nothing to be afraid of, okay? So how to do it is you're going to locate what kind of connection you have for your ASUS monitor. Maybe you have HDMI, maybe you have DVI. So if you have HDMI on your monitor, then you're going to look for HDMI port PS5. And it's going to look like this, and you're going to connect it to the HDMI of the PS5. You're going to connect them together. Now maybe what might happen is that you have only, let's say, DVI or you have VGA. So then what you need to do, you need to get adapter. So how it works is that you're going to have your monitor. This is your monitor, and you're going to have VGA connector. You're gonna buy the adapter, so the VGA cable is going to come to the VGA HDMI, and you're gonna connect that HDMI to your PS5 HDMI. Hope you get it, right? And this is how it works. Super simple.